Oliver Gets the Bird. Duck and Oliver's branch line runs from the big station along the coast to the town where the small railway has its terminus. One day, while he was waiting there, Oliver noticed a cage hanging outside the station master's house. In it fluttered a brightly coloured creature. "It's blue and green with red stripes," he told Duck. "It's got a yellow pointed nose and a sort of funnel thing on top. They say," he added doubtfully, "that it talks." "Talks?" scoffed Duck. "Why doesn't it come out of its cage then?" "It's a parrot," laughed his driver. "Some parrots can talk, you know. He belongs to the station master's father. The old man was a sailor and brought him back from foreign parts." The parrot's name was Cocky. He was only outside on fine days, of course, but he quickly became a favourite with the station men. Duck and Oliver listened carefully whenever they could, but they never heard him speak. "I don't believe it," Duck said to Oliver one night. Oliver had just been teasing him about Dilly, Donald's duck, and he was cross. "All it does is shriek and flap about. Dilly doesn't talk, but at least she's friendly." One day, Oliver was waiting for the last train on the small railway. Rex was late, and when he arrived, the passengers got quickly into Oliver's train. A guard's whistle sounded. Oliver looked back, but the platform was empty except for Cocky in his cage. "They're all in," he said. "Come on, Oliver, let's try to make up some of the lost time." They had a good run, but when they reached the big station, the guard came up. "What are you up to, Oliver?" he demanded crossly. "Next time, wait for my whistle. You might have caused an accident." Oliver looked puzzled. "I'm sorry, Mr. Guard," he said, "but there was a whistle." "That's right," agreed his driver. "We all heard it." The guard stared. "But I was in my van stacking some boxes." A grin spread over the fireman's face. "Cocky!" he exclaimed. "He must have learned how to copy the sound of your whistle." The fireman was right. "Well, well, well," chuckled Duck when he heard about it. "Fancy being fooled by a bird, eh, Oliver? I reckon that makes us quits, don't you?"